I want to tell you about a great multi-styler. I love multi-stylers, and this is a terrific one. I've been playing with it, and it has great attachments. Let me show you all of them. First, it comes with this super powerful base. It has 3 speeds and 3 temperatures and a cool shot button. It has a focused hair dryer. I have freshly washed hair, and I'm going to show you all the tools today. It has 2 curling wands, a right and a left, a wonderful round brush, and a terrific oval brush that is great for smoothing. It has 2 alligator clips and a heat protection glove. Let's get started with this powerful motor. I'm going to start out on low, on a medium temp. It has intelligent heat control and a 1-click start. Now that I've gotten a lot of the moisture out, I'm ready for styling. I'm going to use the round brush, and I'm going to section my hair. Now I'm going to use the great oval brush. It's locked in place. I'm going to use it on the medium speed. And give my hair a good dry. I've created a very sleek look, and now I'm going to add a little curl to this one side with the curling wands. So I'm going to choose a low speed. As you can see, it uses the air wrap effect, and it wraps the hair automatically around the curl. And one of the nice things to do is leave it in there for a minute and then give it a cool shot. That helps seal the style. As you can see, that made a firm curl. I'm going to do a few more pieces, and then you'll have the idea of how great it can curl as well. Just leave it in there a few seconds, give it that cool shot, and look at that. I like to make my curls a little tighter than I actually want them, then I can pull on them and brush them out, and then they will last a little bit longer. Cool shot, and look at that. Last one. This is a really nice 4-in-1 hair dryer. I really like it. I like all the brushes, the curl wands. As you can see, you can have several different looks with this hair dryer. Look at that, beautiful curls, and I'm gonna wear them in a curly wave style. I love the way it looks. This is a wonderful tool with the curling wands and the oval brush and the hair focus dryer. Also, the clips and the glove are a nice special touch. I love this product. I highly recommend it.